In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating a distribution certificate in your Apple developer account. First, log into your Apple developer account and go to the Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles section by visiting the Certificates list. Click on the plus button to create a new certificate. Next, choose either Apple distribution or iOS distribution, depending on your app's needs. To proceed, you need to upload a certificate signing request, CSR. This can be generated on a Mac. Let's walk through the steps. To create the CSR, follow these steps on a Mac. Launch Keychain Access, located in /applications/utilities. Choose Keychain Access on the top menu and select Certificate Assistant. In that menu, you can find Request a Certificate from a Certificate Authority. Click that. In the Certificate Assistant dialog, enter the required information. User email address, enter your email. Common name, provide a name for the key. CA email address, leave this field empty. Select Save to Disk, then click Continue to save the CSR file to your computer. Now that you have the CSR file, it's time to upload it to Apple. Upload the CSR file you generated by following the steps on your Mac. Once the CSR is processed, download the distribution certificate that Apple has generated for you. Finally, upload the downloaded certificate in the CMS under License Certificate.